After uploading the last video, I started searching which other home appliances that have AI in them. I found many companies that have added some AI features into the latest products. So I picked a Samsung AI washing machine. A washing machine is one such electronic appliance which is found in every home, but in today's video, we will understand which AI features have been added in this AI washing machine, how it is trained and how it works. So let's know about the Samsung 9kg EcoBubble AI washing machine. I have made some diagrams of this washing machine to explain the role of intelligent sensors and AI model. So this is a front-load washing machine from Samsung, is fully automatic and comes with Wi-Fi technology. It has functions like 14 wash programs, higher spin speed, AI EcoBubble, AI energy mode, AI touch control, and intelligent sensors. Samsung AI washing machine relies on sensor fusion and cloud-based learning via SmartThings app. What do sensors do? Sensors only collect real-time data and feed it to the AI model for instant analysis. What is the role of the AI model? Samsung engineers create a proprietary machine learning system. This is a trained software system that makes the decision. This model is trained in the lab with millions of real examples, which include data from thousands of wash cycles, responses of different clothes, water usage, dirt level, and wash duration. Now this trained model is embedded in the AI chip or firmware. As soon as the AI wash mode is turned on, the washing machine starts. Data comes from the sensor, AI system analyses, and adjusts the wash cycle. For example, if we put night suits in the machine, the load sensor will detect a light load like 2 kg or 5 kg. The fabric sensor will identify soft cotton fabric, nightwear. The soil level sensor and turbidity sensor will find very less dirt, clear water during pre-wash. What will the AI system do in this situation? Based on these clothes, it will choose the cycle, which will be short wash time, low water level, and general drum motion, medium spin speed, and efficient energy mode. Example 2, farm clothes. The sensors become active as soon as the clothes are put in. Medium or heavy loads can be detected. Rough fabrics like jeans, cotton mix will be detected. High dirt levels will be found, and soil and stains will be visible. What will the AI system do? Based on these clothes, it will select long wash time, include soak cycle, keep water level high, select strong scrubbing motion of drum, high spin speed, and if there is a smart dosing system, then suggest the need for more detergent. Example 3, kitchen clothes. Fabric type sensor will identify mixed fabric, it's cotton and towel. Soil and turbidity sensors will detect high oil content, water becomes cloudy and sticky early. What will the AI system do? Will select warm water, which is better for removing grease. Adds pre-wash or extra rinse. Adds more detergent or an enzyme-based wash and selects spin speed medium. Apart from this, this machine's AI chip enables remote control through the SmartThings app. Notifications, detergent reminder, wash history, and cycle updates are available on the app. So this was an AI washing machine. If you found this video informative, like and share. Subscribe for next video. Thanks for watching.